My welcome my 11th standard students to my classes. Few of them I know very well. They are very sincere students in the 10th. Tejas is there, Priyanka is there, then there is Sarvesh also. The remaining are new to me. Anyways, after a long time I'm here seeing at least I'm at least publishing my audio to them. Okay, so remaining are new to me, but still within I think a month or half you become familiar. Okay, I'm not going to introduce you to the subjects and all that. Let me tell you, since you are in 11th standard, you'll be having I'll be taking two subjects, two important subjects which are non-optional. You have no options for that. Just like how you have option for maths, you can drop maths for 12th, you can drop biology for 12th, but you cannot drop at any cost these two subjects, and that is physics and chemistry. ठीक आहे. असं आहे की काही केलं तर तुम्हाला ते सब्जेक्ट्स ओमिट न करता केल्यामुळे यू प्लीज develop a liking for the subjects. That's very important. Today I'll begin with the first lesson of physics, that is units and measurements. I request you to buy the textbooks available in the market because 11th standard syllabus is not changed. Okay? I will begin with this first and the most important topic, that is units and measurements. Students, let me guide you one thing. It's a simple one. There are some questions which come for 2 marks from this topic, which just come for 2 marks and all that. We'll start with this first topic. The first page itself was, what does the first page say? You know, what is physics? It is a subject related to science which deals with the quantitative measure of any quantity. Quantitative म्हणजे काय? त्याच्या आतले कॅरेक्टर्स मेजर करत नाही. So physics is a subject which deals with quantitative measure of any physical quantity. Like, for example, if you go to a fruit market, if you buy fruits, generally the vendor, fruit seller जो असतो, what does he do? He gives you fruits by saying that you have taken half kg apples, 1 kg any other fruit and all that. Means the fruits are measured in typical measure which is called kg. Similarly, if you go to a cloth shop and you want to buy a cloth to stitch your uniform, okay, that time the cloth merchant, the person who is in the cloth shop, he measures the length of the cloth. Length. How does he measure? You say मला 2 मीटरचा कपडा द्या, तो बरोबर 2 मीटर मोजून देतो तुम्हाला, right? So here we are measuring another quantity, that is length, in meter. First we measured important quantity, that was mass. ती फिजिकल क्वांटिटी आहे, त्याला फिजिकल क्वांटिटी म्हणतात. फिजिकल क्वांटिटीचा अर्थ काय की यू कॅन सी इट, स्टुडंट्स. ओके, सो फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज आर मेजर्ड इन टिपिकल मेजर्स. लाइक मास इज typically measured in kgs or grams, or सोनाराकडे गेला तर मिलीग्राम. ठीक आहे. if you go to a cloth shop, you measure the length of the cloth as meters, or generally centimeter and all is not used there. ठीक है. Now you stand on a bus stand. Yes, your friend comes and he asks that we have to when will the bus arrive, and you will say at 2 o'clock. What you are measuring here? You are measuring time. So we have come across 3 important physical quantities, that is mass, which is measured in kgs or gram, length, which is measured in meter, or any other will do. Let me tell you. Then the time, which is measured in minutes, hours or seconds. ठीक है? This is one here. So what is unit then? Students, आपण कधीही मास सेकंड्स मध्ये मोजत नाही. एक्झाम्पल, तुम्ही दुकानात गेला, तुमच्या पेरेंट्सने तुम्हाला पाठवलं आणि सांगितलं 2 किलो साखर आण. तुम्ही गेला आणि त्या दुकानदाराला सांगितलं 2 सेकंड साखर आण, तर तो तुमच्याकडे बघतच राहणार. Right? He may not be well educated, but still he will stare at you because mass cannot be measured in seconds. Similarly, कपड्याच्या दुकानात जाऊन तुम्ही असं म्हणू शकत नाही की मला 2 किलो कापड द्या, तो तुमचं तोंड बघत राहणार की ह्याचं काय नेमकं काय झालंय. इज ही ओके और इज ही somewhere something is wrong, isn't it? Like that. So to measure every physical quantity, we have to use a precise measure. Like mass is measured in kg, length is measured in meter, time is precisely measured only in hours, minutes, seconds and so on. This measure kg, meter, seconds or hour, this measure is called unit. So what is unit? Unit is the standard measure of a फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. म्हणजे तुम्हाला मास मोजायचा असेल तर तुम्हाला केजी, ग्रामच वापरावं लागणार, और मे बी अ बिट लार्जर क्विंटल अँड ऑल दॅट, बट नॉट सेकंड्स, बट नॉट मीटर्स. यू कॅनॉट यूज दॅट. स्टँडर्ड मेजर, अँड whenever standard measure, I'll repeat the definition of units. What is an unit? It is the standard measure used in the measurement of a physical quantity. Physical quantity means mass, length, time, volume, area, space occupied, shape, everything. ठीक है? That is called physical quantities. Anything, it can be anything, students. So what is a unit? It is the standard measure used for a physical quantity. That's it. Point number 1. Point number 2. Students, various system of units are used to measure physical quantities. Basically 3 important physical quantities measure धरतात. त्याला reasons आहेत. असंच नाही की बाबा एवढेच का धरायचे असं काय नाहीये. 3 important physical quantities are used. Generally mass, length, time. So always 3 basic जे quantities आहेत, physical quantities, they are mass, length, time. So different system of units were used for measurement of these typical 3 physical quantities. तुम्ही म्हणा टीचर भरपूर आहेत ना, velocity आहे, temperature आहे, this आहे, that आहे, all that is there. But students, let me clear, they begin from this mass or length or time. कळतंय? So important system, you know, mass, length to measure or to use to measure physical quantities, we generally consider basically 3 important physical quantities. They are mass, length and time. And the system used to measure these 3 important units are the CGS system. C capital, G capital, S capital. CGS system, which measures length in centimeter, mass in gram, time in seconds. Then you have, this is point number 2, system number 1. Then you have MKS system, which measures length in meter, mass in kilograms, time in second. MKS system. There was one more system, students, which was called FPS system, which was generally used by the Britishers. जन्मानंतर तुम्ही काय केजीचे होता काय जनरली डॉक्टर्सने तुम्हाला पाउंड्स मध्ये मेजर केलं. जनरली pounds is the unit used to measure the weight of the baby, isn't it? So 7 पाऊंडाचा होता, 8 पाऊंडाचा होता, गुडगुडीत होता. दिस पाउंड कुठून आला? इथं ब्रिटिशर्सची कृपा. वी वर द कॉलनीज ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स, isn't it? Independence Day is coming, but still we are the colonies of Britishers. Look here, FPS system पण होता. हे टेक्स्टबुक मध्ये इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल. Length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound, time is measured in seconds. What happened? Students, every country started using different system of units. Some countries used CGS system, some used MKS system, some used Britishers and their colonies used FPS system. The exchange of scientific information and and communication between the scientists met with confusion. तो आपला एक सायंटिस्ट सेंटीमीटर वापरायचा, एक सायंटिस्ट मीटर वापरायचा, एक पाऊंड मध्ये मेजर करायचा, एक केजी मध्ये मेजर करायचा, दुसरा ग्राम मध्ये मेजर करायचा. There was a lot of confusion between the scientists, and therefore in 1971 a special system of unit was used, and that was called as the SI system, International System of Units. SI system of units uses even decimals as well. Hence the calculations done are perfect, and all over the world the SI system is accepted. What is this? SI म्हणजे System Internationale di Unite. फ्रेंच भाषा है. अपन SI system म्हटलं की इंटरनॅशनल सिस्टम म्हटलं तर बहुत हो गया. So after 1971 म्हणजे it's recent one. After 1971, whether they were Britishers, whether they were Australians, whether they were Americans or any other Indians also, everywhere which system is used? SI system, where due to which what happened? The exchange of scientific information among the scientists became more and more easier. That was the thing here. I'll revise and then we'll go to some important quantities. Students, I'll let you know. The standard measure of a physical quantity is called unit. Means mass मोजायचं असेल तर केजी किंवा ग्राम, लेंथ मोजायची असेल किंवा लेंथ मोजायची असेल, you have to use meter or centimeter or anything else, but not kg, not second. Independent आहेत ते एकमेकांशी. Okay, and if you are going to measure time, you can use hours, you can use minutes, you can use seconds. ठीक है? Three systems are used: CGS, centimeter, gram, second, to measure length, mass and time. MKS, meter, kilogram, second, to measure length, mass, time respectively. FPS जे आता काहीच यूज नाही त्याचा. SI system which is accepted all over the globe, that is SI system Internationale di Unite. तुमच्या लेवलला इंटरनॅशनल सिस्टम ऑफ युनिट्स म्हटलं तर इट्स ओके. And that is dealt with solving of many problems among the scientists. Like सगळे जे सायंटिफिक इन्फॉर्मेशन किंवा कम्युनिकेशन मध्ये गॅप पडायचा ड्यू टू डिफरंट सिस्टम ऑफ युनिट्स युज्ड, दॅट वॉज मिनिमाइज्ड. आणि डेसिमल्स पण वापरले जातात, अँड दॅट्स परफेक्ट रीडिंग स्टुडंट्स. ठीक आहे, दॅट्स इट. नाउ वी विल गो टू सम इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट, समथिंग कॉल्ड एज फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज. They are physical quantities. Fundamental quantities. They are the quantities which do not depend on any other quantity for their measurement. Meaning, एक mass, length आणि time एकामेकांशी कनेक्शनच नाही. Mass is totally independent of length. Length is independent of time. They are not correlated to each other. So the quantities which do not depend on any other quantity for their measurement are called fundamental quantities. They are 7 fundamental quantities. They are mass, length, time, temperature, you have electric current, you have luminous intensity. Luminous intensity म्हणजे नॉर्मल लाईटची पॉवर. जास्त वॅटचा लाईट घेतला की जास्त करंट पण वापरले जाते, बिल पण जास्त येतं, पण ब्राईटनेस जास्त. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ल्युमिनस इंटेन्सिटी. Intensity means power already, always energy per second. Intensity is power. Last is amount of matter, which is generally taken into consideration when we are discussing the mass of atom, molecule and all that. Amount of matter. Units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Unit of mass is kilogram, shortcut K small, G small. Unit of length, meter. Symbol, only small m. Time, second. Symbol, small s. सगळे स्मॉल लेटर मध्ये, मोठ्या लेटर मध्ये लिहिलं मी जबाबदार नाही, यू गेट 0. टेम्परेचर, केल्विन, तो साइंटिस्ट ना, इसीलिए कैपिटल लेटर. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, हे स्मॉल लेटर ना, पण सिंबल फक्त कैपिटल. दिस इज स्मॉल but the symbol is capital. Electric current you have already studied in 10th. Ampere, symbol capital A. Luminous intensity is measured, unit is mole, symbol फक्त mol. E विसरा, ही symbols मुलं. Amount of luminous intense amount of matter, mole, symbol फक्त mol. Luminous intensity, नवीन तुम्हाला, you have not heard this word, candela, symbol CD. What are you observing? In symbols we use capital letters only for unit of two physical quantities, that is ampere, that is current, temperature, Kelvin, capital K. बाकी सगळे small letter. कळतंय? हाँ, इथं लिहिताना small letters. What are fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities are the quantities which do not depend on any other quantities for their measurement. Mass, length, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, light ची intensity, light ची power, luminous intensity, amount of matter. Generally, this typical term is used to measure the mass of very small particles like atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons, etc. Units are kilogram, symbol kg, length, meter, m, time, second. S, फक्त S, इथं SEC घातला आणि का फॅशन करायला गेला, you'll get directly 0. You are not in 10th, you are in 11th standard. तुम्हाला हे सगळं शिकवलं जातं तरी तुम्ही काही लिहून ठेवता आपले. Please be precise. Kelvin, small letter, scientist असला तरी पण symbol capital. Ampere, सायंटिस्ट असला तरी सिम्बॉल कॅपिटल, रिस्पेक्ट म्हणून. कॅन्डेला सायंटिस्ट नव्हता, मोल CD mol. That's it. Are you okay? For today I will stop. Students, start reading the lesson, and in course of time as the syllabus is getting, as the topic is getting covered, I will send you the notes. PDF पाठवते. ठीक आहे? बसून नोटबुक मध्ये कंप्लीट करा, नाही तर ती PDF मेंटेन करा तुमच्याकडे. Yes, this will go till lockdown is over. Bye for today.